Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the critical structure corruptions blue screen error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, with the error message show your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then when a restart for you. If you'd like to know more, you can search online later for this error, critical structure corruptions. And also indicates that always occurs when there is a complete hardware failure or when a device driver is accidentally or deliberately trying to overwrite and detect the critical kernel code or data corruptions. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions na pwede natin gawin is to update all your drivers. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so tap mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa left side menu, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side, ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito lang some more options under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Advanced Options. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa Advanced Options, dito lang sa Additional Options ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Optional Updates. Okay, so tap lang natin yan. So dito sa Optional Updates, dito natin makikita kung may driver updates tayo. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na meron tayong isang driver na pwede natin i-update. So i-click mo lang dito sa right side yung arrow na yan, and then makikita mo na dito yung driver na kailangan natin lang i-update. So select mo ganyan, and then kailangan mo lang i-download or install, right? So once na-download mo na or na-install mo na yung driver, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang siya, and dito lang sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And next step, dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then select mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then click mo lang yan and press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicing, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na restore operations completed successfully. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space up system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix critical structure corruptions BSOD in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.